everyone, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Greetings of the day and a very warm welcome to Indu's Academy of Biology and Medicine. Today in this video, I am going to highlight 100 scientists or fathers of biology which we've been waiting to listen since 1 week. We all know that in our Instagram page, IABM Online Bio, we've been discussing MCQs in our story page of all fathers of biology of different fields, and I said shortly after the Saturday, I'm going to post a video in our YouTube channel on fathers of biology of 100 scientists of different fields of biology, which is going to be a very useful video. So I request all of you to kindly subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, IABM space online bio, and also please kindly share to your friends and like this page and like this video for me to get enlightened and post such useful more and more videos. Yes, and not only that, this particular video is not only for your knowledge, but all competitive examinations which we've been taking on. Fathers of biology of different fields is a very sure questions in any competitive examinations. So I am sure that this is going to help you in a great manner, not only in your enlightening the knowledge, but also it is going to help you in preparation of competitive exam. With this short note, let us quickly start to discuss in less than 30 minutes all 100 scientists or fathers of different fields of biology. You can start counting it to ensure that if we are going to really discuss 100 scientists. And not only that, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please have a pen and a paper. Though you can always have a pause, listen to the video again and again for your practice, but still, I have made this 100 scientists or fathers of biology in a sequence, like botany, zoology, embryology, and then, physiology, genetics. So based on the different streams of biology I have divided, which will help us to learn easily. So please make a note of it, have a pen and paper, keep a pause, and please write it down and paste it wherever you visit at your home walls frequently. And this is going to help you in a great manner, and the more and more you just look into here and there for these fathers of biology, it will automatically get into your mind. And I'm also going to give you the tips on how you have to remember in sequence all the fathers of biology. Yes, so without wasting time, let's quickly get started up. Yes, number 1, first father of botany. The father of botany is Theophrastus. Father of zoology is Aristotle. Father of biology is also Aristotle. Yes, and not only that, father of embryology is also Aristotle. Right? Father of modern biology is Carolus Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus is father of modern biology, and not only that, father of taxonomy is also Carolus Linnaeus, because Carolus Linnaeus' actual name is Carl von Linné. Because of the classification of binomial classification and scientific name, he changed according to the scientific name his name as Carolus Linnaeus. Right? Yes, artificial system of classification was also discovered by Carolus Linnaeus. Father of taxonomy is Carolus Linnaeus, and father of Indian taxonomy. Father of Indian taxonomy is Santa Pau. Father of Indian taxonomy is Santa Pau. Father of medicine is Hippocrates. We all know that after the MBBS, medicine is over, then you get a Hippocratic vote, right? So father of medicine is Hippocrates. God of medicine or father of Ayurveda is Dhanvantri. So in India, we always have from ancient time the god of medicine or god of Ayurveda or father of Ayurveda is Dhanvantri, right? Father of Indian botany and Indian herbarium. Father of Indian botany and Indian herbarium is William Roxburgh. Father of Indian botany and Indian herbarium is William Roxburgh. And father of Indian zoology is Colonel Stephenson. Father of Indian zoology is Colonel Stephenson. And father of embryology, we just discussed Aristotle, but who is father of modern embryology? Father of modern embryology is von Baer. Father of modern embryology is von Baer. Who is father of Indian plant embryology? Father of Indian plant embryology is Maheshwari. Father of Indian plant embryology is Maheshwari. And not only that, father of ecology is also Theophrastus. So, Theophrastus is not only father of botany, but Theophrastus is also father of ecology. In some books, if you see, father of ecology is given as Rhetor. So Rhetor is also sometimes called as father of ecology. So based on the option that is given in the MCQ, please be careful. And father of Indian ecology Father of Indian ecology is R.D. Mishra. Father of Indian ecology is Ramdeo Mishra. And father of surgery and plastic surgery in India is Sushruta. Father of surgery and plastic surgery in India is Sushruta. And father of Ayurveda in India is Charaka. Father of Ayurveda in India is Charaka. So this is all with reference to botany, zoology, embryology, ecology, ancients, Ayurveda, medicine and so on and so forth as one part. And second part we will start with branches of biology. So we all know the branches of biology, very simple thing everyone knows since 1664 is father of cytology, who is Robert Hooke, because he was the one who discovered the cell. Actually what he discovered was not a cell but it was a cell wall, and living cell was discovered by Anson von Leeuwenhoek. But still because of him the cell biology came into existence. So father of cytology is Robert Hooke. Father of modern cytology is C.P. Swanson. Father of modern cytology is C.P. Swanson. And father of Indian cytology. Father of Indian cytology is A.K. Sharma. Father of Indian cytology is A.K. Sharma. Yes? So this is all with reference to cytology. Now we will talk about pathology. Father of pathology is Rudolf Virchow. Father of pathology is Rudolf Virchow. Father of plant pathology is D. Barry. Father of plant pathology is D. Barry. Rudolf Virchow is also the father of modern cell theory, because we all know cell theory was discovered by Schwann and Sweden, but they do not know or they did not propose where the actual cell comes from, right? So this was little modified. Either you can call it as cell lineage theory or modern cell theory, which was also given by Rudolf Virchow, which says omnis cellulae e cellulae, right? Which means all cell come from pre-existing cell. Yes, this is with reference to cytology. Now coming to pathology, this is also discussed. Father of pathology Virchow, and father of plant pathology is D. Barry. Okay. And father of Indian plant pathology is Butler. Father of Indian plant pathology is Butler. So we have done with botany, zoology, medicine, Ayurveda, cytology, pathology. Right? Now we will move on to there's one scientist called as father of mycology, right? Father of mycology. Father of mycology will start from father of mycology, Indian mycology. Father of mycology is Mitchell. Father of mycology is Mitchell, and father of Indian mycology is Butler. So we just discussed about the name Butler over here. Yes, he is father of plant pathology, and father of Indian mycology is Butler. So we have done with mycology now. Now let's get into the genetics. Yes, father of genetics, which every one of us know. Father of genetics is none other than Mendel. Right? Father of genetics is none other than Mendel. Father of modern genetics. Father of modern genetics is Bateson. Father of modern genetics is Bateson. And father of experimental genetics. Father of experimental genetics is T.H. Morgan. Father of experimental genetics is T.H. Morgan. And father of human genetics. Father of human genetics is Garrod. Father of human genetics is Garrod. And finally, father of modern human genetics. Father of modern human genetics is James Neal. Father of modern human genetics is James Neal. I'll repeat in genetics because we have another list of few more genetics, right? So father of genetics Mendel, father of modern genetics Bateson, father of experimental genetics is T.H. Morgan, father of human genetics, or you can say biochemical genetics, is Garrod, and father of modern human genetics is James Neal, because Garrod was the first person who discovered the inborn errors of metabolism, and so we call him as father of biochemical genetics or human genetics. But then the human genetics was modified by James Neal, so he is called as father of modern human genetics. And this is not the list with reference to genetics. We also have somebody called father of Indian plant genetics. Father of Indian plant genetics is B.P. Paul. Father of Indian plant genetics is B.P. Paul. And father of haploid genetics, Neurospora. Father of haploid genetics is Dodge. Father of haploid genetics is Dodge. Then we have father of radiation genetics or radiation biology or cytogenetics. Father of radiation biology or father of radiation genetics or father of radiation biology and cytogenetics goes to Muller. Right? It goes to Muller. And finally, father of Indian cytogenetics is also A.K. Sharma. We all know that father of Indian cytology. Yes, father of Indian cytology we refer to A.K. Sharma, but A.K. Sharma is also the father of Indian cytogeneticist. Right? He is also the father of Indian cytogeneticist. And father of polygenic inheritance is Paul Ehrlich. Father of polygenic inheritance is Paul Ehrlich. Yes. So this is the list of two parts of genetics. In the first part we discussed about the genetics, modern genetics, experimental genetics, human genetics and modern human genetics. Right. In the second part we discussed about Indian plant genetics, haploid genetics, radiation biology and cytogenetics and Indian cytogeneticist and father of polygenic inheritance. So with this we come to the end of genetics. So let's give a pause over here. We have discussed about the fathers of botany, zoology, embryology, cytology, pathology, and we've also discussed about fathers of ecology and Indian ecology, then fathers of genetics and the subdivisions related to fathers of genetics. So this is what I said. We've been into the sequence. So rather than learning in any books, if you actually go through any books, it's been random. Rather than learning it random, let's divide into a sequence. Let's have it in the form of a divisions and then learn. So this way we know that we have completed these many fathers as of now. Now we will get into the father of physiology. Now we will get into the fathers of physiology. The fathers of physiology is Stephen Hales, and he is also the father of plant physiology, who is Stephen Hales. Now father of modern experimental physiology is Claude Bernard. I'll repeat, father of physiology and father of plant physiology is Stephen Hales. Father of experimental modern physiology is Claude Bernard. Father of experimental physiology alone is Galen. So father of experimental physiology is Galen. Father of experimental modern physiology is Claude Bernard. And Galen is not only the father of experimental physiology, he is also called as the father of experimental renal physiology. Yes, Galen is also called as the father of experimental renal physiology. Now coming to father of Indian physiology is J.C. Bose, but father of Indian plant physiology is von Halter. So this is where there is a confusion of single branch, where unique father and then specific to India, specific to plants. So father of physiology, Indian physiology is J.C. Bose, and Indian plant physiology is J.C. Bose, and sometimes father of Indian plant physiology in some books, if you see, it is given as von Halter, but basically overall if you see, the father of Indian plant physiology is given for J.C. Bose. But otherwise the father of Indian physiology is R. N. Duster. Okay, so let me repeat the physiology part. Father of physiology and father of plant physiology, universally it goes to Stephen Hales, right? And father of experimental physiology goes to Galen, and Galen is also called as the father of experimental renal physiology. And father of modern experimental physiology goes to Claude Bernard. Father of modern experimental physiology goes to Claude Bernard. Father of Indian physiology goes to R. N. Duster. Father of Indian plant physiology goes to J.C. Bose. Right? So this is all with reference to physiology. We have seen the fathers with all subject to physiology. Now let's move on to all fathers of anatomy and anatomy subdivision, then histology. So this way it is very easy for us to remember. Father of anatomy is Herophilus. Father of anatomy is Herophilus. Father of modern anatomy is Vesalius. Father of modern anatomy is Vesalius. Father of anatomy is Herophilus. Father of modern anatomy is Vesalius. Father of plant anatomy is Grew. Father of plant anatomy is Grew. Yes, father of plant anatomy is Grew. Father of microscopic anatomy or histology. Father of microscopic anatomy or histology is Malpighi. Father of microscopic anatomy or histology is Malpighi. And father of animal histology is Bichat. I'll repeat, father of microscopic anatomy or father of histology goes to Malpighi, and father of animal histology is Bichat. So let's repeat anatomy and histology once. Father of anatomy is Herophilus. Father of modern anatomy is Vesalius, and father of plant anatomy is Gru, and father of microscopic anatomy is Malpighi, and father of histology is also Malpighi, and father of animal histology is Bichar. Yes, so with this we have coming to the end of physiology, anatomy and histology. Right, what is the next session? Next session is paleontology. So this way I am sure that you all are going to enjoy learning, and learning is going to be easy. So father of paleontology goes to Leonardo da Vinci. You know, that's a famous book called Da Vinci Code, right? Very famous novel. Father of paleontology goes to Da Vinci. And father of Indian paleontology goes to Birbal Sahani. Father of paleontology goes to Da Vinci, and father of Indian paleontology goes to Birbal Sahani. And father of modern paleontology goes to Cuvier. I'll repeat, father of paleontology Da Vinci, father of Indian paleontology goes to Birbal Sahani, and father of modern paleontology goes to Cuvier. And not only that, Cuvier is also called the father of comparative anatomy. I'll once again repeat, Cuvier is not only father of modern, yes, he is not only the father of modern paleontology, but Cuvier is also a father of comparative anatomy. Now with this we come to the end of paleontology. Now let's get into bryology. Yes, the father of bryology goes to Hedwig, but the father of Indian biology, yes, Indian bryology goes to Shivram Kashyap. Father of bryology, that is the bryophytes. You know, we all know that plant kingdom is divided into algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms, right? So father of bryophytes or bryology goes to Hedwig, and father of Indian bryology or bryophytes goes to Shivram Kashyap. And now coming to phycology. Father of phycology goes to Fritsch. Phycology is nothing but study of algae, right? Father of phycology goes to Frisch. And who's father of modern phycology? Father of modern phycology goes to William Harvey. And finally, father of Indian phycology goes to M.O.P. Iyengar. So father of phycology goes to Frisch, father of modern phycology goes to William Harvey, and father of Indian phycology goes to M.O.P. Iyengar. Right? So we have completed botany, we have completed zoology, we have completed biology, we have completed embryology, we have completed the next session of cytology, ecology, and then we did about pathology, and then after pathology we did about genetics, and then in genetics we did about subdivisions of genetics, and after subdivisions of genetics we did, I think we did about physiology, and after physiology we did anatomy, and after anatomy we did histology fathers, and after histology we did about mycology, phycology, yes, and then also bryology. So this is how I made the sequence into the order. By that way we can easily remember. I think by now we would have discussed around 60 fathers of biology of different fields, and 40 more is left. Okay, let's quickly hurry up. Father of endocrinology is Addison. Addison's disease, because of whom we've got the famous disease called Addison's disease. So father of endocrinology is Addison. Father of immunology is Edward Jenner. We all know that he is the man behind the identification of smallpox vaccine, and that is why he is not only called the father of immunology, but he is also called as father of vaccinology. And now because of that, the entire smallpox is being eradicated. And my dear ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that is the reason it's very important for us to follow the instructions of vaccines which is being given. Maybe in later centuries, whatever vaccines that have been existing for treating different diseases, maybe those could be completely eradicated generation after generation if we've been using vaccines properly, right? Then, father of antibiotics is Alexander Fleming. We all know Alexander Fleming discovered the first antibiotic penicillium from Penicillin notatum. Right, penicillin is a very great antibacterial agent or antibiotic, and so father of antibiotics is Alexander Fleming. Father of bacteriology. Though Anton van Leeuwenhoek observed the living cell or observed the bacteria, Anton van Leeuwenhoek is called the father of microscopy, or he is called the father of microbiology, because he's been looking into microbes into the simple microscope. He designed his own microscope. But We all know the tuberculin, Koch postulate, tuberculin bacteria, right? So the father of bacteriology actually goes to Robert Koch. And as I just told you, father of microbiology or father of microscopy goes to Anton von Leeuwenhoek. And father of modern microbiology goes to Louis Pasteur. Father of modern microbiology goes to Louis Pasteur. And father of modern medical microbiology is also Robert Koch. So let's not get confused. Let's repeat again. Father of bacteriology is Robert Koch. Father of microbiology is Anton van Leeuwenhoek. And father of microscopy is also Anton van Leeuwenhoek. And father of medical microbiology is Louis Pasteur. And father of modern medical microbiology is Robert Koch. We all know that Koch postulate. Yes, tuberculin. But one very exception is Koch postulate is not applicable to the disease leprosy, but Koch postulate otherwise is applicable to all bacterial diseases. With this, we come to the end of microbiology. Let's see virology. We only have 2 scientists under that. So, father of virology is Stanley and father of Indian virology is S.P. Roy Choudhury. Yes, so father of virology is Stanley and father William Stanley. Father of Indian virology is S.P. Roy Choudhury. And then coming to father of biochemistry is Liebig. Father of biochemistry is Liebig. Father of chemotherapy is Paul Ehrlich. Father of biochemistry is Liebig. Father of chemotherapy is Paul Ehrlich. Father of gene therapy is Anderson. We all know that adenosine deaminase deficiency is very important thing in gene therapy. So father of gene therapy, the first gene therapy was given to a SCID, a 4-year-old child suffering from adenosine deaminase deficiency disease, which is SCID. Yes, severe combined immunodeficiency syndrome. So father of gene therapy is Anderson. Now coming to tissue culture, we have father of plant tissue culture and we have father of animal tissue culture. So father of plant tissue culture is Herbert Land. Father of plant tissue culture is Herbert Land. And father of animal tissue culture is Harrison. Yes, so father of plant tissue culture is Herbert Land and father of animal tissue culture is Harrison. Now coming to the evolution, the concept of evolution was given by Empedocles. The concept of theory of evolution was given by Empedocles, but the mutational theory of evolution was given by Hugo de Vries, and Hugo de Vries, Carl Correns and von Schermat are the 3 people behind rediscovering the Mendel's law. So the person in 1900 who rediscovered the Mendel's law are 3 people along with Hugo de Vries. It's Carl Correns and von Schermat were the people behind rediscovering the Mendel's law. Yes. So this is one set. Again we will continue it. The father of eugenetics is Galton. Father of eugenetics is Galton. And father of gerontology is Corin Wisk. Father of gerontology is Corin of Wisk. Yes, this is father of gerontology. And father of ethology. Father of ethology, these are like very minute, complicated questions which do not appear again and again. But then, since we are discussing all fathers of 100 scientists, let's do this also. Wherever, here and there, if you get it for either MBBS or your other competitive examinations or your, master programs or in any of your respective entrance examination, it will be of use. So, father of ethology is Lawrence, Conrad Lawrence. We will repeat. Father of eugenics is Galton. Father of gerontology is Cornwish. Father of ethology is Conrad Lawrence. Yes, father of ethology is Conrad Lawrence. And father of ECG, we all know, father of echocardiogram is Inthoven. Yes, father of echocardiogram is Inthoven. Father of epidemiology is John Snow. Father of epidemiology is John Snow. Father of polio vaccine is John Salk. That is why it's called a Salk vaccine, right? Father of polio vaccine is John Salk. And father of blood group, we all know. Yes, Landsteiner. Father of blood group is Karl Landsteiner. And father of blood circulation. Father of blood circulation is William Harvey. So I guess you are through with this. I'll repeat. Father of eugenics, Galton. Father of gerontology is Cornwish. Father of ethology is Conrad Lawrence. Father of ECG is Inthoven. Father of epidemiology is John Snow. And father of blood group is Landsteiner. And father of blood circulation is William Harvey. And now coming to father of green revolution. Father of green revolution goes to Norman Borlaug. Father of green revolution goes to Norman Borlaug. But father of Indian green revolution goes to M.S. Swaminathan. Yes. So this always students does a mistake when father of green revolution is asked, they take MS Swaminathan. Father of Green Revolution is Norman Borlaug, but father of Indian Revolution is MS Swaminathan. Father of White Revolution in India goes to Curie. Father of White Revolution in India goes to Curie. And father of Rice Revolution in India goes to Koch. Father of White Revolution goes to Curie. And father of Rice Revolution in India goes to Koch. And this one person who actually, created Barwell. Barwell is a person who commercial seed development in India. So he was the person behind who developed, he cannot be called as a father, but he developed commercial seed development program in India, and he is called Barwell. And it is an added, information. Father of genetic engineering. So this is with reference to the Indian Revolution, Green Revolution, White Revolution, about the seed, about the rice, and so on. Now coming to father of genetic engineering. Very simple, everyone knows because it's a very common question, right? Father of genetic engineering is Paul Berg, right? Father of genetic engineering is Paul Berg. Father of DNA fingerprinting is Alec Jeffrey. But father of Indian DNA fingerprinting is Lalji Singh. Yes, father of DNA fingerprinting is Alec Jeffrey, but father of Indian DNA fingerprinting is Lalji Singh. And father of conditional reflex, the reflex action, Pavlov's law, dog bell experiment which was conducted by Pavlov to understand the reflex action of conditional reflex is given by Pavlov. And father of cloning, the dolly, the sheep, father of cloning is Jan Wilmot. So father of cloning is Jan Wilmot. Now coming to little other complicated things which are rarely asked, very few fathers. Let's discuss that too. Father of organ transplantation is Correll. Father of organ transplantation goes to Alexis Correll. And father of test tube baby goes to Edwards. Father of test tube baby goes to Edwards. And we all know that the person who discovered Kary Mullis is PCR. Yes, PCR discovered Kary Mullis. Who discovered polymerase chain reaction is Kary Mullis. And last few fathers to go with. Father of homeopathy is Hayman. Father of homeopathy is Hayman. Hemen. Father of homeopathy is Hayman. And father of antiseptic surgery is Joseph Lister. Father of antiseptic surgery is Joseph Lister. And father of palynology is Erdmann. Erdtman. Father of palynology is Erdmann. And father of ethology, I think I told you, Lawrence. Father of stress physiology, I am sure that you must be stressed with listening to all these fathers. But then father of stress physiology is Hans Seel. Father of stress physiology is Hans Seel. Father of ATP cycle, the very important energy cycle. And here for Indus Academy of Biology and Medicine, the big important ATP cycle is you viewers. So please kindly subscribe, share and like this particular video so that I would get a lot of ATP cycles circulating inside and I would be able to get energy to post more and more such videos. So father of ATP cycle is Lippmann. Father of ATP cycle is Lippmann. And finally, father of birth control pill is Karl Georgi. Father of birth control pill is Karl Georgi. So I hope that we have discussed all 100 fathers of different fields of biology. The initial 60 to 70 fathers list which we discussed are going to be the common MCQs in all competitive examinations. But the later part which I added, that could be like, some of them which are rarely asked. So I thought since we are discussing fathers of different streams of biology, let's discuss everything. So this 100 scientists of fathers of biology is coming to an end by now. But this is going to be only part 1. Under part 2 of scientists, we are going to learn the discoveries. Yes. For example, we're going to talk about D. Duve, who discovered this, who discovered that, Camilo and the term plasma membrane cell membrane was given by Nageli and Kramer. Unit membrane model, Robertson model. Unit membrane model was given by Danieli and Davison. Robertson model, lipid bilayer. Singer and Nicholson gave rise to a very good, yes, plasma membrane model. Yes, all these fluid mosaic model. And we are going to come out with all those. Fontana and Baumann, what did they do for nucleolus? And Paré discovered ribosomes. All the discoveries of different cell parts, discoveries of like mitosis given by Fleming, meiosis given by Murray and Karmer. Yes, so we are going to discuss all the discoveries of all scientists. Not only fathers are important, but the discoveries of different scientists, of different discoveries that are related to biological field is equally important. So in part 2 shortly we will discuss about the scientists and their discoveries of cell biology and all in turn the biology. Right? So with this we come to the end of today's session. Thank you so much. Please have a pause in this. With great difficulty I have arranged this into a different versions of fathers and in sequence. You may not find this in sequence in any of the books. This is the easiest way to learn in sequences. So I hope and I'm sure you're going to get ample benefit out of it. And if yes, kindly please like the channel so that I will get my ATP cycle for you to post more and more videos for enhancing and enlightening your knowledge. See you later with another wonderful exciting video. Thank you so much and have a great day. See you. Bye-bye.